Hello friends, myself Ajay Jadhav. I am the student of the BSc second year at MSP Arts, Science and KPT Commerce College Manora. This is the Department of Physics and this is my seminar report of that department, session 2019-20, and my seminar topic is fiber optic communication system. So let's start. First, introduction. Fiber optic communication is a method of transmitting information from one place to another by sending pulses of infrared light through an optical fiber. The light forms an electromagnetic carrier wave that is modulated to carry information. The fiber optic communication system is divided into three major parts. That first one is a transmitter, second is optical fiber, and third is a receiver. So we can see one by one that parts. This is the block diagram of fiber optic communication system. There is we can see the three major part of that system. First is the transmitter, optical system, fiber, and receiver. So these are the three part of fiber optic communication system that working one by one. So we can see the working of that major part. First is a transmitter. The transmitter is consist of modulator, the, the light and the light. It is supported by a necessary drive circuit. The continuous wave narrow line width semiconductor laser is used as optical frequency oscillator, and the transducer converts non-electrical signals into electrical signals. This input electrical signals is fed to modulator along with the light, and the light wave are modulated with the signals. Second part is the optical fiber. So here the modulated light signal to be transmitted is coupled to the topic fiber, optic fiber. Fibers may be also require connectors. Fibers may be also require connectors to increase the length of the fiber medium. And the last part is the receiver. So here working of receiver is receive the modulated light wave, and it is and after it is fed to optical detector. Here the avalanche photodiode detector is used to optical detector, and it converts optical wave into electrical wave, which are then amplified and demodulated to obtain the signals. These signals is then fed to suitable transducer to convert it into non-electrical form. So this three part is a working of optical fiber communication system. So we see the application of optical fiber communication system. Let's first, optical fiber is used by many telecommunications companies to transmit telephone signals, internet communication, and cable television signals. Second, it is also used in the multitude of other industries, including medical, defense, or government, for data storage. Third, it is used as light guides for imaging tools, laser hydrophones for seismic waves, sonar, and as sensor to measure pressure and temperature. So these three are the application of the fiber optic communication system. So there are we saw the working of optical fiber communication system, their three major part and their application. Thank you.